Welcome to the English Learning from Scratch series. In this video, we explore an important concept in English pronunciation: sentence stress and function words. Understanding which words to emphasize and which to de-emphasize is key to sounding like a native English speaker. Let's begin. First, let's understand the difference between content words and function words. Content words are nouns, verbs, and adjectives. These words carry the main meaning of the sentence, and we stress them when speaking. Function words are articles like the, and an, plus prepositions like in, on, and at. These words show grammar and structure but don't carry the main meaning. We do not stress function words. This is the key rule we're learning today. Here are the most common function words you'll encounter. Articles include the, and an. Prepositions include in, on, at, of, to, and for. Other function words include conjunctions like and, but, or, and auxiliary verbs like is, are, and have. All of these words should not receive stress in your sentences. Remember them as the words that connect and structure your sentences rather than define their meaning. Now let's look at a practical example. The sentence is "I saw the dog in the park." When we speak naturally, we stress the important content words, dog and park. We do not stress the function words, the and in. This creates a natural rhythm that native speakers use automatically. By stressing only the important words, your English sounds more fluent and natural. Let's examine two more examples. First sentence, she bought a new car. We stress new and car because they carry the main meaning. We do not stress the article a. Second sentence, the book is on the table. We stress table because it tells us where the book is. We do not stress the preposition on or the article the. This pattern is consistent across all English sentences. Now it's time to practice. Say these sentences aloud, stressing only the words shown in red. First, we walk to the store. Stress walk and store. Second, he gave me a gift. Stress gave and gift. Do not stress the function words to the, me, and practice these sentences several times until the stress pattern feels natural to you. Remember these three important points. First, always stress content words including nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Second, never stress function words like articles, prepositions, and conjunctions. Third, practice makes your pronunciation natural. The more you practice this stress pattern, the more natural your English will sound. Mastering sentence stress is one of the most important skills for fluent English pronunciation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.